Hello, friends. Today we are going to discuss some things related to artificial intelligence. We all know around us artificial intelligence has become a buzzword and everybody is talking about artificial intelligence. Teachers are talking about artificial intelligence, that how to cope up with the integration of artificial intelligence into our education system. Students are also trying to understand that what type of skills they need to understand, they need to learn, they need to be capable of, so that they can get good jobs or they can start their startup and do their innovations as well. Society as a whole is also trying to understand what is this artificial intelligence, how it is going to take and how it is going to create impact in their life. Businesses are understanding, businesses are learning. So this is new phenomena, and artificial intelligence is transformative technology, and we need to understand that since it is transformative technology, it is going to make a great shift in our life around us. Our personal life will change, our interaction with our work systems, governance systems, education systems, our personal systems, everything is going to change. And if that is going to happen, we need to understand that we are learning, we are understanding, and we are equipping ourselves with latest knowledge, trend, insights related to artificial intelligence. And first of all, we need to understand the foundation of artificial intelligence, what type of socio-economic, political, or technological shifts we are going to witness in the future. And for that thing, you need uh, the knowledge which is coming from scientific sources, which is not like creating anxiety among students or teachers or any other community in our society. So that we are going to discuss in this series of these reels on Instagram and on several other social media platforms, latest insights, recent developments, how we understand those developments, and if they are for ourselves, for a particular community, for a particular student, for a particular person working in a particular business domain, then how that person needs to implement, imbibe those skills in their daily life, personal life, in professional lives, so that they can be ready for this present day transformative change that is going to happen because of artificial intelligence. So welcome to this series. Thank you very much.